And then I ask, ano si Mayor, lalaki o babae? Okay.
Okay.
Now I do this, by when I give a talk about ginagawa ko, I give that joke, and then sometime later, I ask the audience, oh, naalala niyo yung kinuwento ko kanina, tungkol kay Mayor tsaka sa asawa niya. Sabi ko, ano si Mayor, lalaki o babae? And surprisingly, or expectedly, people would say, lalaki, babae. Okay? No? And then I drive home the point na, wait, tingnan niyo mabuti ha, pag-isipan niyo mabuti. That actually reflects a bias. Okay?
Yeah.
Why? Because Mayor is gender neutral. Asawa is also gender neutral. I did
Exactly.
not say ano yung gender ni Mayor. And yet, in our minds, we already formed some image ni Mayor. Ay, lalaki si Mayor, babaero. Or something. Sorry. Or babae si Mayor.
Nakabuo na
Asawa ko
tayo
niya.
ng story in the back of
Yeah,
our mind,
yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's the first one. No.